Hi, this is Dave Clausen here. Thanks for stopping by. This is a D. Schmid oil press, Sterling, Rosedowns, built in the UK. That is the end picture. The first two were the sides. Uh, Here we have the photo of the logo for on the machine. Next, we got the gearbox of the D. Schmid. It's about 4 to 5 ton an hour capacity. This is the photo where it's the crossauger from the top, which it gives it a continuous feed. Another gearbox shot. Next, we got a photo of the same machine, just a little zoomed out a bit further. The opposite side, and we have a bunch more equipment I'd like you to show. Have a quick look at it. Not sure exactly what that photo is. It has to do with, I think, with this Christie Britton. This is a grinder here. There's another photo from the end shot on that Christie Britton. It's a grinder to pre-grind the soybeans when they come in the plant. There's a side view of the plate. I zoomed in, but I couldn't find any numbers on it, but gives you a little bit of a shot. There's another shot of the bin feeding a U-trough. Next we have a leg and a drags. They're all built by Elbert. It's a good quality line. Another shot of the bottom of the leg. And next we got the Elbert U-trough. Great workmanship. High quality equipment they used. They didn't cheap out on the plant. Next shot is a dryer or a cooler, and it's a little further back, a zoomed out picture. Next we have just a parts bin, what was left behind. We could make a deal somewhere where we can sell it with one of the pictures. It's just a plant shot there from an exhaust tube. Here's another shot of the dryer from the backside. This is I believe it's a processing tank vessels for the oil. This is the top of that previous picture. We also have a mixer in here. It's a shot from the top. Next is a plant shot. As you can see, this yellow box in the bottom, that's one of the shaker there. That's a little better. The first one was a bit dark, so we took another shot there. This is from the top. Right there underneath us is the D. Schmid oil press. This is from the other side of the plant, giving you a little bit of an idea of what we have for equipment. It's another vessel available for sale for processing the oil. That's the shaker there, the yellow one. Rock and shake. And this is a plate off of we're in the steam boiling system here. It gives you the different specs there. It's in German, but it gives you an idea of what the capacity is of the steamer. This is a shot from the top of the plant down onto the steam system, or steam production system I should say. This is a side shot my brother-in-law took. I'm not quite sure what that is. This is the other side of it. It has to do with the steam, but I'm not quite sure on it. Here's another shot of a plate and some pump, some valves, a motor. This one has the motor attached. The farmer had some vandalism, and you can see there the motor's missing. Vandalism happened when they removed all the wires. People love copper, and I guess it's a quick cash. Here's the control panel for the steam system. Another shot from the back side of the door, the control panel. Next is the tank itself with some valves and different distribution pipes, and you can see there in the bottom right is that there's another shot of the control panel. Next is another shot of a little different angle of the tanks for the steam. Here's a serial plate for the machine for this story for the steam, and there's the motor what turns the blower. Next is another shot from the standing on the floor and taking a shot from the tank on top, and here's another one from the end. You can see, you zoom in here on the tank on top, and these are extruders. We have two of these Rolls-Royce extruders. One has only been used once for a test run, and the other one the farmer took home, and for his cattle he had been using it a bit for extruding, but very, very little use. So all this equipment has been once fired up and tested. There's another photo of the extruder, also extruder, and yeah, give me a call and we'll make a deal. You can pick and choose your equipment, or a complete deal. Be a sweet price for all the equipment. Awesome equipment. Thank